How to unfollow all your Instagram following at once in a single click. Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how you can quickly unfollow everyone on your Instagram though who don't follow you back. Or if you want to unfollow all and you want to create a new your following list, then you can unfollow all at once on your Instagram account. So for that, just open your Instagram account, go to your profile, click on your following, and here you can unfollow all these one by one, but this will take certain time. So how you will unfollow all at once? For that, just simply check your phone so that Instagram help you can send message to Instagram support. Just check your phone, just simply click on report the problem, then simply click on increase and continue, and here explain Instagram that you want to unfollow all your following. Just type your message and simply click on send so that the Instagram may contact on your registered email, and you can explain to them why you want to unfollow all your following, and then they can unfollow all your following on your behalf. So this is the way you can try this way.